Hi, Amy here from Two Life Tasty, and behind the camera I have
Tasty Ted.
Ooh, Tasty Ted. We're going to take you on a journey today to a place where we spent our 30th wedding anniversary. Tuscany. It was Two Life Tasty and just fun and romantic and truly a delicious and wonderful anniversary. We went places like Florence and Venice and Pisa, but my favorite places were out in the countryside where we went to vineyards and olive groves, and they fed us the most beautiful food in about a 3-hour afternoon of wine and lovely, beautiful foods. And we went to one winery where they had a cookbook called The Taste of Tuscany. So I'm going to make for you today our Two Life version of that Tuscany pasta. It's a love story. I used to think that love was just a fairy tale, until that first hello, until that first smile. But if I had to do it all again, I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause this love is everlasting. Tuscany, it's too life tasty to me. There's beauty up above and tasty things we take notice of. You wake up in Tuscany and you're in love. Ooh, yeah. Basil, garlic, and vegetables galore. A can of crushed tomatoes and a big glass of red wine. Grass-fed beef, now that's amore. If you ask this troubadour, Tasty Ted will ask for more. Tuscany, to me. Pasta, mushrooms, and some beef stock. Cook it up in the Instant Pot. The flavors of Tuscany, a tasty lot. Each day I pray I don't forget to add the salt and pepper. Ooh, Tuscany, it's too life tasty to me. Parmigiano grated from above and oil from the olive grove. A taste of Tuscany, and you're in love. Ooh.
And yeah, more.
Okay.
I need more. I need more.
Okay.
We'll finish this up.
All right. Nice Chianti.
Chianti.
Want it with some fava beans.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yummy. Ooh. Yum yum. We're Two Life Tasty. I'm Amy. This is Ted.
Tasty Ted.
There we go. Subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Tuscany Pasta.
And press like.
Two Life Tasty.
Cheers.
You left your glasses on.
I did. Okay.